Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with TransUnion credit monitoring services step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type TransUnion credit monitoring and hit enter. Click on the official TransUnion website link from the search results. Once the website loads, look for the credit monitoring option on the homepage. Click on the credit monitoring link to learn more about the services offered. Review the features and benefits of TransUnion's credit monitoring services. When ready, click on the Get Started button. Select a plan that best suits your needs from the options provided. After choosing a plan, click on the Sign Up or Get Started button. You will be prompted to create an account. Enter your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a secure password to protect your account. Once all information is provided, click on the Continue button. You may be asked to verify your identity through security questions. Answer the security questions accurately to proceed. After verification, review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Click on the Submit button to finalize your registration. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your new account. Check your email inbox and follow any additional verification steps if required. Once your account is activated, log in using your email and password. Now you can access your credit monitoring dashboard. Explore the features available to monitor your credit score and report. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.